Today we're going to work through the process of showing you how to inoculate logs so you can grow any type of mushroom you'd like to grow. So what you want is you want your logs within, say, a couple weeks cut, because you need the sap still in it and it being fairly fresh. And then the first stage is to go ahead, if you're doing plug spores, you need to go ahead and cut them to drill them. So what you do is measure about each one. You need your first starting one about 2 inches from the end, and then after that you need about every 6 inches. So I just take this little mechanics ruler and I just measure out, make a mark, and then 2 inches from the end. So you're going to do that on every quarter side. So what I generally do is mark this here, and on bottom, and I'll do this a quarter, and then I'll turn the log a quarter again. But what you want is the next one on the quarter, you want towards the middle of this. So you can go ahead and mark that if you want to. So you use this plug drill bit. It looks like that. And you get this from North Spore. This is the one I got from North Spore. You can get it from other places too. But it helps you stay exactly the same width you need for the plugs and the same depth you need for the plugs. So you just go through. And then flip your logs that quarter and do that one. Okay, and then flip another quarter. I haven't marked these yet, so I need to go ahead and mark those. So the next part is we're doing lion's mane this time. The next part, you take your plugs, and we happen to get these from North Spore, but you take your plugs and they're inoculated with aminoxidilin, and then you take one per hole and you take it and knock it in. So I go ahead and put down the line, I take and put all the plugs in, and then you want to knock them in flush, and you spin it to where the next one is, put all the plugs in, and then that's it. So what you want to do now is you take food safe wax, and you want to seal each of where you put the plugs in and the ends. Mushroom logs. It's a great activity for you and the kids to do the logs, and you'll have them for like 4 or 5 years, maybe more, because once you inoculate them, they keep producing year after year. Try them out.